Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested pick a card general reading, friends. What is your person's current feelings and next move for you, friends? Many of you requested this reading. Here it is now. What is their next move? What are they feeling and thinking about you, friends? Make sure to subscribe, like, and share Magic Wens Tarot, friends. Please subscribe if you are not subscribing, liking, and sharing. It really means a lot if you do that for me. And yes, thank you so much if you have already subscribed, liked, and share. And friends, do make sure to join us on Instagram so you can also get the notifications of these readings there also. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Currently, friends, I am not taking any new orders for personal readings because of I'm previously booked, overbooked right now. Also, my health is not really the best at the moment because it's very hot weather. It's really hot, and it's bad weather actually here. So yeah, I don't know when will there is never a time when the weather is great nowadays. It's either hot or extremes. But I hope you guys are doing well and you guys are having a good weather there and you guys are enjoying, having fun, and staying positive. So this is a general reading, friends. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest behind. And let us see how is your person current energy? What are they thinking? What is their current energy? Our viewers' person's current energy. Ooh, nice. Consciousness. So your person is definitely awakening, friends. Your person is awakening. They are going through a spiritual transformation. They are going through some changes, clarity, some sort of a breakthrough, some awareness is coming in them. Our viewers person, what is their current energy? The dream, yeah, this person is really missing you, friends. They are thinking a lot about you. So no wonder so many of you requested this reading, because your person is constantly dreaming about you. They miss you, they're longing for you, and they realize that they are waking up. They are spiritually changing and they are realizing that you are the soulmate, the twin flame, the one for them. And the Queen of Wands, yeah, I do feel your person is feeling very passionate about you. Even though if you are in separation, no contact since many years, this person still feels very passionately about you. And in their dreams, in their alone moments, in their solitude, they think about you, they make love to you, and they really miss you. I also feel if this person is single, they want to make a move towards you because something is shifting in this person, friends. Something is shifting. Their heart is opening. Integration, oh my god, the balance. Look at that. The male and female, energies are mixing. Your person is definitely coming in balance, friends. I feel this person, when you last met this person your person was not at all balanced. They were either very egoistic or they were too emotional, and that really affected this relationship and caused you both to separate or, move apart or move away from each other. But right now, your person has realized their mistake. They have realized their mistake and they are in the process of balancing themselves. Like if they were too egoistic, now they are opening to love, giving love, sharing love. If they were too emotional, now they are on the other side, like they can take action rather than you always doing the taking action. They want to take charge now. Also, if this person is your twin flame, yes, I think this person is waking up to the realization that you are the twin flame, you are their other half, and they are, you know, they they really miss you, friends, in some way. Like you complete them in some way, or you complement them in some way. It is not like this person is half, but you complement this person in a beautiful way. And look at that, the new vision, all major arcanas are coming out, friends. So yeah, this person is dreaming a new start with you. They are looking for a new life with you. They also think about getting married to you, being sexually intimate with you, physically making love with you. They also dream about you know having a new life, having a new start. What if, I do feel if you guys are in separation and this person is married, they dream about what it would be to be married to you. What would, it would have been amazing to be married to you. rather than the other person they have chosen. So they really think like, what if? What if? And right now, if they are single, they definitely are dreaming a future with you. They see that you are their future. Politics, yeah. I do feel that there are people in this connection who are against this relationship, like family, friends, colleagues. I do feel someone has played a bad politics in this relationship, a bad third party, and your person now realizes it. Your person is like, yes, I realized there were people who didn't wanted us to unite. Now they are understanding. I think you would have told this person like, hey, don't trust them, don't listen to them. I do feel this connection, this connection, other people affected this connection, because this is a true love. There is a lot of love in this connection, and now your person is realizing it, that they choose all the fake people rather than the real you, or the rather than the real relationship. They chose everything fake, and now they realize it and regret it. Completion, yeah, they feel like, you they are missing you, friends. They are missing you very badly, and they feel like, things are, their life is not complete without you. So they just don't like it. You are the missing piece, friends. You complement, in fact, I think you complete this person. You complete each other in some beautiful way. And this person is really, really missing you, friends. And you may feel this person is married, or they are focused on work. Why would they be missing me? No, I think they miss you a lot right now. And in fact, they are trying to hide that they miss you from everybody else. In fact, they sometimes even say, no, I don't miss. I think this person keeps a happy face when they are not really happy. Look at this. They are trying to tell you that they are this happy person, but inside, they really miss you. They are crying for you. Let us see what else. The burden. My God, yeah. This person has been guilty. They want to tell you that they just can't live without you. This person is feeling such a burden of guilt. They know that they miss you, they love you, they want you back, and you are the one, they know they have done some mistakes, and they know that they want to be with you. They are not choosing you. They want to say all these things to you, that, hey, I'm sorry. Sorry for not taking action. Sorry for not telling you how I feel. Sorry for not being listening to you. Sorry for being, hiding my pain. This person is under guilt, under a lot of pressure. And look at that, the creator, yeah, they whenever they think about you, this person feels so energized, so pure, so happy, so excited. But at the same time, when they go back to their life or look around themselves, they are like, duh, life is bad, because you are not there, and they have listened to everything else. You make this person very pure. You give this person a lot of power. Your love makes this person strong. I do feel this is your twin flame, divine masculine or feminine. This person still feels a lot of passion. In fact, if they are with somebody else, they do not feel, there is no passion in that relationship. This person only loves you and you and you. They are with that other person or with a third party because of politics, because of other reasons like family, religion, culture, or just like they got married, so now they can't break it. But the real passion is with you, and they feel this strange passion, even more passionate about you than they used to feel in the past. This can also be a new person. Yes, I do feel this is a new if this is a new person or a crush, yes, they definitely feel very strongly about you, and they do see a future with you. But I do feel like your common friends or social media, they are trying to understand you through social media and finding it difficult to understand you. If this is a new person, if they are trying to understand you through social media, they are like, oops, it's tough to understand. Of course, because social media can never explain a person's personality. You have to meet them in person, spend time with them. So this person is like, or you may also have heard something about them. If this is a crush or some new person, like you may have heard something like, oh, this person is like that, be careful. But they feel a lot of passion for you, friends. They are really passionate about you, and this person wanna take action in this relationship. They wanna fix this connection, but I do feel that your person is trying to focus on, like, they are pretending that they don't miss you. Silence, yeah, they are still trying to keep the silence because they don't know how to tell you. Because, if they tell you how much they are passionate about you and how much they miss you, the only question you will ask is, why are you away from me? Why are you not with me? And that's the answer they don't have. Oh my god, they really miss you, friends. They really miss you and they really love you. And I think they are also surprised by how much passion they feel for you and how much they miss you. This person thought they will get away without missing you. Clinging to the past, yeah, they are super attached with you. They cannot live without you. I feel somewhere our viewers might have moved on from this person, but this person still holds and has your memories, the things you have gifted, or the songs you liked, the movies you saw, the memories. This person keeps visiting those, memories and really likes it. Comparison, yeah, this person keeps comparing their new life with the old life they had with you, and they are like, oh, I was so happy then, why I'm not happy right now? They are not happy, friends. They are going through a terrible time. Postponement, yeah, I feel your person wanna take action and charge towards you. They wanna tell you how much they miss you, but they keep postponing it. Like, yeah, I'll do it tomorrow. I'll do it, this day. I'll do it that day, and they keep just waiting and watching. And I feel your person is keeping an eye on your social media, and they feel very jealous, when they see your beautiful pictures. They are like, they want to kiss you, they want to hold you, hug you. Projections, yeah, this person absolutely now feels like you are their twin flame. You are their twin flame. You are, this person is going through the runner and chaser. Now you are running away and they are chasing silently in their dreams. Now they see everywhere. They find you everywhere. Everywhere they go, they hear your name. They hear your name. They see something that reminds them about you, reminds them of you. The Fool, they want a new start with you. Definitely, absolutely. If this person is living away from you, friends, they want to meet you face to face and start something fresh with you. If this person is married, they are definitely trying to connect with you through meditation, through dreams, through intuition, all those kind of things. Because directly, it's difficult for them to approach you, especially if they are married or with somebody else. What is this person's next move for our viewers? Okay. Travel, yeah, this person want to travel towards you or take you on a short trip towards, on a honeymoon probably, or a vacation, or they want to move towards you. Victim mentality, yeah, they are feeling really guilty, friends. They are feeling, again, consciousness card. They are feeling regretting their decision. They are regretting big time losing out on you. If this person blocked you, they miss that. They really, really feel bad about it, that why they pushed you out of their life. And your higher self, yeah, they definitely, this person is going through a spiritual transformation, friends, and their higher self is definitely asking them to open their heart and move towards you, or at least share their love for you. What is this person's next move? Oh my god, the loving man or the woman. They're gonna share their love for you, friends. Definitely. They have a lot of love and passion for you, and they definitely want to share it with you. So let us see what is happening behind the scenes in this connection. What is hidden in this connection? What is happening behind the scenes in this connection? The Wings, yeah, this connection is growing, friends. Even though you may feel nothing is happening in this connection, things are actually developing. And your person definitely want to break free. Skull, yeah, your person is obsessed with the past, and the past issues are still, past hurt and pain are still interfering or blocking this connection from moving forward. The white dress, wow, wedding. For some of you, marriage is a big issue here that's affecting this relationship. Like, you want to get married, they are not saying yes, or the families are not agreeing, different religion, culture. It could be a same-sex relationship for some of you. That's why there are issues, like nobody is saying yes for it. So marriage is definitely something that is happening or being aligned. You guys, heaven is working behind the scenes to get you guys married. Doll, for others of you, children could be a problem, like inner child issues, or like you have children, you are a single parent, or your partner is a single parent, so that is the issue. Or this could be a second marriage for some of you, so that is affecting this connection. But I feel it is the inner child issues which are affecting hiddenly in this connection. So how will you feel about this person in the future, friends? Let us see that, how our viewers will feel about this person in the future. All right. Love. Oh my god. Lovey dovey. Congratulations, friends. I was thinking you're gonna not forgive this person, but look at that. I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. So definitely there will be you will feel a lot of love and forgiveness and caring, compassion for this person. And health, yeah. You're gonna seriously feel like this is a healthy connection, at least not a toxic connection, or you're gonna feel very physically attracted towards them. Also, you will feel very happy. You will feel like, hey, you look good, you look fit. Love has a glow. You will feel that glow. You both will feel it. I will honor the physical vessel that enriches my soul. How will your person feel about you in the future? Let's see that. Ooh, change. So they are, they're they are thinking you like you have changed a lot. They will, and in a positive way, like you are glowing, you are, growing, you are very successful, you are very outgoing. So they will feel like you have changed a lot in a positive way. Adversity, oh my god. And they will feel like you are becoming out of reach for them, in some way, like you are out of their league now. How can they have you, or how will they propose you and win you back? So you guys have raised your standards, which is great. So let us see what is happening spiritually in this connection, because a lot is happening spiritually here. So let us see. What is happening spiritually in this connection, in our viewer's person? What is happening spiritually? Oh, these cards are so huge, it's difficult to shuffle them also. Heaven sent. Oh my god. This connection is heaven sent, friends. I do feel that your person is getting important messages from the universe. You both are getting important signs that yes, they are the one. Heaven sent, yeah, your person is definitely being reminded that you are the one for them, or you are a blessing. The lessons they are trying to avoid, they are finally learning in your absence. They are learning how to love you, how to be there for you, and how to be a better person. Heaven sent. This relationship is heaven sent. What is already with you? Yeah, this person, I think your person has a tendency to focus on the grass is greener on the other side. They always want to have something which is they cannot, or which they have not yet achieved. Like, if you were with them, they overlooked you. Now they are with another person, but they are overlooking them and wanting to be with you. So the universe, the spirituality, or the spirit world is reminding this person to enjoy what they have right now, to value it when it's there. Let's see what else. Follow your own rhythm. Yeah, the spirit is also reminding them that, yeah, this relationship has its own rhythm. You guys may have tried to force this relationship, like, let's move it here, let's take it here. It's, relationships sometimes have their own path. And, that's one of those things happening in this connection right now. You have to stay a little flexible in this. What is happening spiritually in this connection? Against the grain. Yeah, your person definitely feels like, being with you is moving against the what people feel. Maybe it is a same-sex relationship, or it's a different religion, culture, age gap. I don't know if these things even matter today in 2021. They really don't, because you see how the world is, friends. People, life is so, we can lose it any day, friends. Our lives, COVID and all these things have shown us how fragile things are. But love is something that we can always count upon, and always If there was any day a time to do anything, it's now. That's what I can tell you. So this person is like they are a little scared of going against everybody for you, but now they are gaining the courage. They had been a weaker person. I don't want to use the word coward. But I think some of you are like, that's the word, that's the word, that's the word. Oh my god, friends. Oh my god. I think this person has been a little scared to not scared to stand up for this connection, but now they are really understanding that it's okay to be different and to stand up for your things, releasing the dark wound and let love live. Yeah, so this person is opening to your love. I think they have resisted your love for such a long time, friends. It's unbelievable. I feel this person never expressed their love when you were around with them. What a pity. Be the hunter, not the hunted. Yeah, this person is now, earlier you were chasing this person. Now they are chasing you. And they feel they have lost you. So now you are the powerful one, and you are the runner. You are the runner they are chasing. Beyond the mind, the heart beats. Look at that, the same card. You guys are exactly same. Beyond the heart, beyond the mind, the heart beats. Yeah, so the universe is trying to tell them that this connection, the more your absence has made your absence has made this person realize how much they love you, how much you mean to them, how much they miss you. It's beautiful, actually. And let us see what things you need to keep in mind for this connection. Is there anything our viewers need to keep in mind about this connection? So spiritually, a lot is happening. I think there is, this person will message you in the right timing. I do feel like in the next 7 hours, 7 days, this person is going to message you. I do feel for some of you, it may happen in the next 1 hour, 1 day. This person will message you in the next 1 hour or 1 day. But for most of you, I feel they may message you in the next 7 hours or in the next 7 days. Also, I feel whatever is happening is spiritually, this person is trying to hide that they love you, they miss you a lot right now, but they are really, really crying. Their soul is crying for you, and you have to understand that. Wisdom, yeah, it is a time to do the wise things for you right now. If you are focusing on your self-love, career, your own personal priorities, yes, that's the right thing to do, because this absence is making them understand that who you are. Purity, yeah, keep your heart pure. Do not focus too much on the past. Forget, and move on. And new beginnings, yeah, there is going to be an absolute new beginning in this connection very, very soon. Yeah, there will be a new development, an adventure. For some of you, I do feel when you least expect, this person is gonna come back into your life. So stay flexible, because a new person or a new relationship might also come into your life besides this person. Focus, yeah, if you want this person, you should focus on what you want rather than what happened wrong in the past, friends. So keep a positive mindset, it's very essential. Let us see what is the advice for our viewers. I got a blank space, baby, and I'll write your name. My god, I'm singing. Imagine that. I hope your ears are safe. What is the advice for our viewers for this connection? Oh my god. Cleansing water purification activates vibrant life force. So yeah, this connection is healing, friends. Slowly, spiritually, and soulfully, this connection is healing. It is moving forward. You guys are still attached. Your souls are definitely. Some of you are like, why this person never messages me, and you tell us that this person is still missing us. Because, friends, things are not always what they appear. Things are also spiritual. Things are also, like we cannot see God, but God does exist, right? So you may not see what is happening, but their souls might love you, right? So that is what it is. It's tough to explain it. Navigate by the stars, follow your bliss. Yes, friends, I think for some of you, you know what you need to do right now, so you should listen to your intuition. For others, yes, it is time to forgive the past and focus on a beautiful future with this person, or a beautiful future for yourself. For others, I feel, yeah, it is for you right now to focus on a new relationship, focus on a new adventure, possibly take your first step. Yeah, I do feel if this is a crush, you can say hello to them first. Yeah. And miracles, expect the wondrous to emerge. Yeah, I do feel for a miracle is coming, friends. A miracle is going to happen in your love life, and it will happen when you least expect it. So if you are just waiting, you may miss it. If you are busy, this miracle will happen more quickly for you. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And I know most of you liked my nail paint. Thank you for that. Yes, I'm a psychic, I know that. And what else? Yeah, September horoscopes have already been done in Hindi Urdu on my other channel. The link is in the timestamps, or I'll try to link it somewhere here. The English versions are coming. Subscribe, like and share. Click the bell icon so you don't miss them out. This is Mystic C saying bye bye.